Kabahan na si iPad. Ang tatalo kay iPad. Yan ka na naman sa mga tatalo, kinakabahan. Ano yan? May nervous system? Pasmado na si Apple.
But yes, this is it. The full review of the XPad. If you don't know yet, this thing is packed with features, also very fast, performance beast. This is the Infinix XPad, yung pinakaunang tablet ni Infinix. And with this, guys, I have tried so many games. Even emulator, tinry ko dito. Tinry ko rin tumawag, no? Meron siyang phone app. Pwede ka mag-text, pwede ka mag-call. Tapos ang sarap mag-video call sa ganito kalaking display. Napansin ko, habang nag-video call kay Bebe. Lahat. Super sharp, Full HD+. Habang pinapatugtog si Pholax AI. This is also the cleanest interface I have ever seen on a tablet. Stock Android ba to? Nothing but stock apps. Ang daming nagtatanong sa akin, Beans, mas maganda pa talaga kaysa iPad yan? We'll find out. So Beans, and you're watching Unbox Diaries. Ooh. Now, the best device is always the one that gives you the most value. The value for you. And this one is stacked with value. Sobrang daming value ang binibigay nitong tablet para sa lahat. Simpleng interface, napakabilis na performance, may LTE pa, 4G, can call and text, 4 yung speaker, malakas pa, may headphone jack pa nga siya, meron pa siyang SD card slot, camera, okay din siya, design-wise, very premium. Display, sobrang laki niya, 11 inches, sobrang bright pa. 90Hz refresh rate pa yan, mga kaibigan. Very smooth. At ang nibis pa ng mga bezels. Also very light and thin for an 11-inch tablet. Now before I go into the other details like performance and the video, design mo na. Starting off with the design. Now this thing was designed to be really exciting. Look at that design. I gotta say, mas maganda pa yung design niya kaysa kay Poco Pad and kay Redmi Pad. Even kay Realme Pad, mas maganda pa rin ang design nito. Simply because gayang-gaya niya pa talaga si iPad. And you also got that two-tone accents right there. Magaspang dito, may parang curvy na lines. And dito naman, simple lang na aluminum design. Pero yung camera module ay kamukhang-kamukha ni iPad talaga. But don't be fooled by the camera. It's only one camera. 1, 2, 3 lang yung kanyang circle. Yung isa design lang po, yung isa naman ay LED flash. This thing is an 8-megapixel rear camera at meron pa siyang 8-megapixel selfie camera sa harap na nasa gilid nakalagay. The whole body is made out of aluminum. Na kung ibibigyan nyo ito kay baby or sa anak nyo na mahilig magbato, you better go get a cover or a case na matibay. Kasi nga, well, this is aluminum, guys. Prone to dense po to. But overall, very premium naman kanyang feel. Kung maarte ka sa build quality, this is the one for you. And actually, comparing it to the iPad 10, it kind of feels the same in terms of build quality. Ito try ko Ay, nagbend na. Joke lang. Joke lang. Ito naman.
Last mo na yun
It's actually very premium from the feel, from the looks. The moment you will hold this, parang inisip mo, uy, ano to, iPad? Actually, sa harapan pa lang parang akala mo iPad, no? People will mistake this for a very expensive tablet if you give it as a gift to them. Ay, wow, grabe naman yan. Ano to, iPad? And look at that bezels. Oh my God. That is the thinnest bezels I have ever seen sa ganitong presyo. Dito to po yan. You go right now and see other tablets online. Walang ganito. Under 9,500. Or actually, 7,500. That's right. You can actually get this at 7.5 Wi-Fi version, 4128. Same processor, same display, same everything. Wala lang siyang LTE 4G. Incredible deal indeed. Especially when you count the headphone jack na meron siya sa ilalim. That's right, meron siyang headphone jack. Which is nawawala na yan sa mga premium tablets. Kasi kailangan mo daw bumili ng Bluetooth earbuds na worth, what? 1,000 pesos? Oh no, gagastos ka pa. Now if you have a pair of wired earphones dyan, pwede mo na siyang isasakag dito agad. And you can have that privacy when calling your jowa. Napakalaki, 100 pa. Kaya ito 100, guys. Also, pwede ka mag-karaoke dito, buo boses mo kasi may microphone yung ano mo. Di ba? Pwede. And not only that, meron siyang 4 na speakers. 1, 2, 3, 4, left and right. Malakas yung sound, guys. Unbelievably loud. Akala ko, marami na siyang speakers. Baka tinipid sa sound. No. This is huge and loud sound. I'll bet a little distorted na pag 100% yung volume. Pero nasa 80%, medyo dun siya okay pa. But it's very loud. Especially if you compare it to a smartphone. Talagang ramdam mo at rinig mo ang pagkakaiba. My experience with this was a lot more flexible compared to the iPad. Kasi guys, yung iba dyan, wala talaga pang bili ng mga mahal na AirPods, mga ganun. This one, kung meron kang wired, pak, gagana agad. Nood ka na ng mga anime mo, YouTube, no? Privacy, pak. Tas ang sarap pa guys ng feeling. Ang laki niya. Siguro bili ka na lang cover nito, stand. Marami naman sa aftermarket niyan. 11-inch. Yung nga, mas maganda talaga pagka Infinix talaga na cover ang bilhin nyo. Hopefully maglabas si Infinix soon. Nakita ko meron siya sa ibang bansa A keyboard, stand, meron din siya. Sana lang in the future, para kapag binili nyo to, may kasama na you're all good to go. Kasi nga, pag tablet guys, masyado exposed yung parts, prone to scratches and dents. Also, syempre, may konting pagbigat. Even though it's 496 grams, still, very hefty if you're lifting it for about 30 minutes straight na nakaganyan. Baka tumama sa ulo mo. Mas maganda meron kang parang stand. Wala actually, meron tayong mga stand na parang holder. Pwede naman yung holder. Parang naka-hold siya ng ganyan. May arm na ganon sa table nyo. Pwede po yun. Now, the only thing that you will find odd is yung kanyang cellphone capabilities. That's right. Pwede kang mag-text, mag-call. Naka-VoLTE na po yan. VoLTE. Look at that. And pwede ako mag-type dito ng number and call. Ito na. Call. Hello? Ano bro? Yes guys, ito po ako. Ayan po ako. Ano yan? Hoy! Ang gwapo mo. Ay, nag-feedback na. And there you go. Whatever na pwede mong gawin sa isang cellphone, pwede mong gawin sa kanya. Medyo odd lang na napakalaking ganyan. Pero syempre, mag-speaker ka na lang para di odd, no? Para rinig mo. Ang lakas naman yung kanyang sound eh. 4 na may speakers eh. Pero if you want privacy, pwede ka naman mag-headphone, may microphone. Okay din yun. Pero, hello? Hey bro, I'm here at Starbucks. I'm just buying my mocha frap. Yes? This gentleman in front of me is looking at me weird. It's like this guy is judging me. Ano meron? Sir Grande kasi yung phone niya. Ito po yung order ni Sir Grande. Speaking of Grande yung kanyang storage. 256 na po. Marami kang pwedeng ma-install na dyan, kaibigan. Kung wala kang Viva Max subscript, mag-telegram ka na lang. At lahat ng Z-files mo. Actually, di ako nagaganon. I reserve all of my storage for my most important apps, games, emulators, music, videos. Ayan. Siyempre, kung wala kang access sa Netflix din, you want to download something somewhere else, kung Johnny Depp ka, yun. Pwede mo i-transfer yung mga files dito, no problem. 256 gigabytes is quite huge na. At meron pa siyang SD card slot for expandability up to 1 terabyte. Ay, sa laki. DAX din yung kanyang SD card. So much value. Also, napansin ko, man, this is just so smooth. Lahat ng operation very smooth. From the swiping sa home screen, from the flipping on the screen sa social media, sa Facebook, ang swabe masyado. From transferring to app, walang problema. To the split screen na pwede mong i-adjust 2 apps at the same time, ang smooth din ng galawan. Now, this is the 8256 version na, yung 9.5. Baka sabihin mo yung 4128 lang, it might not be the same performance dahil lesser RAM. Now, overall, my usage for the screen size is just so perfect. I think 10-inch, 11-inch is the best size for a tablet. 13-inch is just too big. 8-inch, parang kulang. Kasi siguro kasing haba ng aking pasensya. Sana aabot ng 11-inch mo. Ayun. But yes, I've tried it out pretty much every kind of application and task. Perfect for watching movies. Kasi most kasi ng mga palabas guys, 16:9. With this, konting black bars lang makita mo sa side kapag nag-zoom in ka ng further, wala masyadong crop in para sharp pa rin ang inyong palabas. I've tried it all. Gaming din. Mobile Legends po yung tsura niya. Oh my God. Guys, ang lakas naman ng sound. First impressions, ang ganda ng graphics. Alam mo yung tipong akala mo, low resolution po siya sa ganitong klaseng high resolution po siya. But the only thing that I do not like, siguro, or you might not like, is zoomed in po halos lahat. So meaning, naka-cellphone mode po talaga siya. It's not actually optimized for tablet. Parang nagsa-cellphone ka lang pero zoom in niya, pinalaki niya ng times 3 or times 4. But even after zooming in, grabe, ang taas pa rin ng resolution. It doesn't look blurry. It looks so sharp. The colors are pretty nice. Talagang, wow, mas maganda yung kanyang effect for me sa immersion. Para ang sarap maglaro. Now, of course, syempre, iba yung dynamics ng tablet usage compared sa phone. The way you will play is baka ganito, no? With 2 hands na ganyan. Instead of parang fingers lang, ito naman parang mas marami kasing space to work with, more real estate. Kasi kapag ganito ka maglaro, parang hindi mo maabot agad yung nasa gitna. And the thing is, you really need to reach for that in a moment's pinch. Wala pong frame drops? No. Kaya lang, high graphics na po siya, high frame rates. Naka-grade out po yung kanyang ultra graphics. Meaning, siguro dahil review unit pa lang to. Maybe in the future, baka i-optimize to ni Infinix sana lang. Kasi nga, most of their phones are pang MLBB talaga. Base ko, Infinix GT20 Pro, kahit yung mga hot series, always, kompleto yung settings kapag nilalabas nila. Sa Call of Duty naman, ito yung kanyang itsura. Now, all I can say is, grabe guys, sobrang immersive na experience. Ibang klase talaga yung difference ng isang 6.5-inch to a 11-inch. Not only is the screen double in size, but also 4 times in sound quality. I think this is the best way to play your games. I always believe na kapag malaki yung display mo, malaki yung monitor mo, mas maganda ang experience, mas maganda yung graphics. Pang PC, ang level, alam mo yung parang naglalaro sa PC, ang laki ng monitor mo, kitang-kita mo lahat. Tapos ang lakas pa ng sounds, you don't even need a headphone here. Ganda. Kaya lang guys, iba yung way kung paano mo siya lalaruin. Instead of ganito, baka you're gonna do this. Kasi nga, iba ang mechanics. Mas marami kang pwedeng space na paglaruan sa screen na to. Yun nga lang, medium graphics and high frame rates lang po siya. Now this is telling me na hindi ganun ka-optimize po si XPad for the games yet, and hopefully in the future, gawa ng paraan to ni Infinix or nung developer ng mga games na to. Because I see the potential here. Helio G99 ay kayang-kaya po at least very high graphics, very high frame rates. Kaya po yan. Oh, by the way, Antutu benchmark is 430,000 points Antutu benchmark. Kahit sa ML, feeling ko kayang-kaya po yung ultra graphics, high frame rates. No problem for the Helio G99. Genshin Impact naman, ito po, yun lang, low graphics talaga kapag Helio G99 guys, 60 frames per second, pero I'm seeing 50 frames per second lang po sa Genshin Impact. Pero the graphics looks pretty cool, no? Dahil malaki yung display mo. If you are gonna play Genshin Impact on a device, kailangan talaga at least siguro 600 to 700,000 points na to benchmark to fully enjoy the gameplay. Sobrang medyo hindi siya ganun ka-smooth talaga kapag Helio G99. I also tried sa Honor of Kings sa HOK Hawk. So far, sobrang smooth naman ang experience. Walang problem. I think this game is pretty optimized for most devices. And of course, syempre, meron siyang X Arena if you want that extra setting, no? Yung para extra ability to stay focused in your game, no? Yung pang-suppress ng mga chats, ng calls, ng texts. Para mas focus ka, less distractions in-game. The X Arena also provides you some extra boosting like the performance mode to give you some extra FPS during your games. Sama na sa mga information guys sa panel niya. Ito, swipe left, may lalabas sa panel, at ayan po. More information about your game and your hardware. Now in terms of camera, maganda pa siya, Vince, kasi photographer ako. Gusto ko maganda yung camera. Bro, kung photographer ka, huwag itong bilhin mo. Bumili ka ng tunay na DSLR. But for pictures like yung sa ilalim ng router nyo, yung information like yung password, mga text lang siguro sa mga box, sa mga gamit, guys, okay po siya. Klarong-klaro naman po siya. It's even got a full-blown night mode here to help you with those very challenging low-light situations. Nagulat na lang ako na fully equipped yung kanyang camera app. Video can even go up as high as 2K resolution. May time-lapse pa. Tsaka ang sarap mag-selfie dito. Napakalaki ng screen, guys, no? Actually, you can even do mirror stuff here, no? Gusto mo magsalamin? Meron kang pimple or meron kang buhok na gusto mong tanggalin? Mas madali dito, di ba? Pwede. Yung nga lang, don't expect too much sa kanyang sharpness and details, and overall image quality is just pretty okay for me. Pero ang super okay talaga is sa kanyang presyo. There is no doubt that for only 9,499 pesos, 8256 na yan, meron ng LTE 4G plus Wi-Fi. That is a hard deal to beat. Pero kung walang budget for the 8256, guys, pwede mo siyang kunin ng 7,499 lang, 4128. Meron siyang tatlong colors, Titan Gold, Stellar Gray, and Frost Blue. Pero don't expect the same performance as what you saw here. Simply because mas less yung kanyang RAM at mas konti yung kanyang storage. Also, Wi-Fi lang po yung 7499. Now, if I were you, I would actually get the 8256 version, yung 9499 na, para kompleto, may LTE na, 4G, makakapag-call ka pa. You can even do internet outside. At saka yung performance, you need at least 8GB sa Android, guys, para okay yung experience. Especially sa split screen niya, I think adding 2,000 pesos is really worth it. Plus, only gripe with this is wala pa siyang stand available and keyboard that can actually change the game. Change the way you use the tablet, turn it into a computing device kapag may tablet na siya. Hopefully in the future, magkaroon siya ng ganun. And hopefully, optimize din ng mga developers yung mga games dito para mas maganda yung ating gaming experience sa XPad. But if you want to see more tablets from me, like Infinix XPad, maybe something better, XPad 2, mag-subscribe ka lang, hit the like button so that you don't miss any of my great content. It's been you're watching Unbox Diaries. Woohoo!